Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on all my social media right there. This is another throwback box. Yes, I love the throwback boxes, but hey, I'm almost completely caught up. This is the summer 2017 Walmart beauty box. It's got a lot of fun summery products, which is awesome because it's going to start getting nice here in Chicago. Summer's just around the corner. It's like the first day of spring. So let's get into all these cool products I want to share with you. So hey, we are diving into the summer Walmart beauty box. Theme is Radiate your beauty. You're a force to be reckoned with. And if you're wondering why the light looks funky on this compared to other videos, my ring light died. So there's that. I dropped it. Now it has a short in it and it doesn't want to work. So anyway, on to the products. Because this is a throwback and I procrastinated. I didn't unbox my box for like, I don't know, 9 months. There's a coupon in here for Smile Direct Club. It's expired. Yeah, it's expired, but you know, I have perfectly straight teeth, so I don't need it anyway. There's that. Next, we've got Pantene Dream Care Daily Moisture Renewal Rehydration Shampoo and Conditioner. Pantene Pro V. Love that. Then we have Dry Balance Banana Boat Dry Balance Sunscreen Lotion that's supposed to help you feel dry and fresh. So obviously it's probably like sweat proof. Oh, it's got a matte finish. That's what I always look for in my sun care protection. Though I am excited about that because who wants that greasy look? Then we have some Rock Multi-Correction 5-in-1 Chest, Neck, and Face Cream. It's probably a couple uses in here. It's also it's got sunscreen with SPF 15 on it, so you can moisturize and protect. Then we've got Dove Refresh and Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. I cannot get enough dry shampoo. Though right now I am using the R & Company dry shampoo paste and I hate it. It's like clumpy in my head and it's making my hair itch. So that's probably bye-bye. Then we have Pond's Original Fresh Towelettes. Cleans off your makeup when you're having one of those lazy days where you're like, I don't want to go through my whole skincare routine, which, by the way, if you follow me on Periscope, I went through my whole bedtime routine last night. Whole bedtime routine. It was like 17 minutes long. I might have to do it for Facebook Live soon or Instagram Live. If you missed it, maybe I'll do it again tonight. I don't know. Probably not because I have to shower tonight before bed. So there's that. And finally, we have Dove Advanced Care deodorant in Cool Essentials. Oh, it's supposed to be 48 hour. So I guess if you want to skip the shower for a day, or you find yourself camping, or at like one of those weird music festivals where nobody sleeps or showers, this will probably protect you for 48 hours apparently. So that is the summer 2017 Walmart beauty box. This is where you can find me, and I will see you next time on Tomboy Beauty.